Hello everyone. In today's session of CATIA, we are going to see some more sketch-based features of the part design workbench which can be used to create the solids. So first of all is the groove. What is the groove? Groove is the slot type feature which can be cut out from a cylindrical parts or a circular parts. So let's just see how groove can be worked out. So select the machine design and part design. Let's just say we want to make some pulley type thing. Okay, and let's just invoke the workbench. I will show how this cylindrical object can be made in two ways. It will be kind of revision of our previous pad and shaft features. So let's just first make it with the help of a pad. Select the XY plane, select the circle and just define what's the radius of the circle. Say 70. The sketch is fully constrained, that is green. It is fixed and no further changes can be made to it. So here it is, and I will insert sketch base feature pad, and let's just say it pads to 70. So here it is, we have prepared it. I will delete it. Now let's just say I want to make this same cylindrical feature with the base of shaft feature. So let's just select the ZX planes, invoke this sketcher, and let's just say there's 80 and define it as 80, and we are done. So this feature is under constraint. As I told, when we have to make the figure fully constrained or our sketch fully constrained, here it is under constraint. That means sketch can move and it can be disrupted. See, it is not fixed still yet. One can see that the green line at the bottom, which is touching the horizontal plane, is fixed. It is not moving because it is fully constrained. So let's just make it fully constrained. So let's just define the dimension. First, I will say it as 80. Now let's just say the distance of this and this coincides. So our feature is now fully constrained. I can show you the third feature, that is over constraining, where our figure goes wrong. So here it is. When the figure turns pink, that means you are over constraining, you are overloading with the constraining feature. So let's just delete it and exit the workbench and insert sketch base feature called shaft, which will be used to create a cylindrical. So select the profile and select the axis about which you are going to rotate it and just say OK. So here is our cylindrical feature. Now just invoke the insert. As we have to draw one feature, or what we can say sketch, after that we can use groove. I will show you the both way. First we will do it directly selecting the workbench. I have selected the workbench and I will just say, let's just say it's from 60 to here. This I have created one box, and let's just say it is 60 and it is 60, and the distance from here to here is also defined. So here we have completed our sketch, and let's just make the groove move. So here is the groove feature. Select the profile and it just says what's your plane about which you are going to axis about which you are going to revolve. So I just took the shaft axis, and here you can see the feature is being created over it. This is the groove. It's a simple pulley type structure, or we can make it a V type kind of pulley, just redefining our sketch. So let's just insert few more features on it. Let's just say I want to invoke the hole. It is a kind of revision for the last one. So select it over here, position the sketch as it is positioned over 0, define the diameter as 25, and it should be up to last, and say it's OK. So here we have done it. So we have seen the features of groove, shaft, pad and hole in this session, and we will be moving further in the next session. So subscribe to our channel for more effective learning of CATIA.